Welcome back to our channel. This is Pinoy Summit, and today's video we will focus on licensure examination for teachers, professional education. What is truancy? How truancy is best understood so that appropriate responses can be made to prevent it. A. Absences with permission. B. Absences due to sickness. C. Absences without good reason. D. Absences due to family problems. If your answer is letter C, then you are correct. Truancy refers to the action of staying away from school without good reason. Therefore, truancy can best understood as absences without good reason, so that an appropriate response can be made to prevent, and that is absences with permission. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to your journey to becoming a teacher. Dream big. Have faith and see you on the next video. Cheers.